Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today what we're going to do is we are going to unbox a drone. We got this on Amazon for a very low price, for around 1500 something. So let's see it's a toy or a drone or whether even it works. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this. Okay, let me just extend the view as it's a big package which has come. Okay, this is like a drone package as you can see. Let's just go ahead and open this. Let's see what is available inside this package, and I want to have a good unboxing experience at least. Okay, so this is the Amazon box and the drone is inside it. So let's take it out. We do not require this box anymore. So this is the drone. It's called a pocket drone. Yeah, for the amount I paid, I think so. This is what we receive. It's a portable. It has a wide angle lens, and it is long lasting. So that's what is given over here. Let me show you the drone. Yeah, if you're able to see it. So this is made in China. No wonder in that, because of the price. It has single camera and dual camera, but there's no aerial photograph in this. But you do can take videos or anything like that. So they say it has a mobile view as well as a holder for this, a drone handler. So let's open the seal. And it's given 14 plus age and it's not for kids. Just come in a premium packaging as you can see. Not bad for the price which I gave for it. Okay, so this is the battery for the drone. This is the joystick or the holder for it. So you can go ahead and open and see what is there in it. Yeah, about 3 AA batteries will go for it. It is very lightweight and the body build is also okay. And this is the drone which would fly. You can see these are the compact things. So we are not able to open it now. This is the antenna over here. Let's see if we are able to. Yep, slowly we have to open it. It's a very minute drone, so I'm scared while opening it. So okay, and these are the wings for it. Okay, this is the drone. It's about my palm size to be said exact, even smaller than it. And this is the battery for it. And here is the space where you put the battery. So here you charge the battery. So let me just try to put this in. Um, it goes like this and press it in, and it gets locked. I don't know whether there's a charge or anything. Yep, there is a charge in it. As you can see, it's blinking. So these are the wires which come along with it. It has a. Let's turn this off. Let's see what other stuff they're given along with it. They are given some casings for this. About 4 sides casings. They are given some extra petals to connect, and they are also given a USB wire. So they're given about 4 petals extra, and the casing for it. And this is something which I had to see what it's all about. And they are given a small screwdriver also for the same. And about the documentation, it shows what is for what over here and how you can control it. And you also have something in complete Chinese, which I do have to decode to do anything for it. Okay, this is the antenna actually, that much I came to know, and the mobile panel would be down to hold your mobile. Here's where you hold your mobile. Yep, that's the one. There's a nice spring to it. Okay, I would be testing this later and I'll be showing you what is it all about. But this is the best drone which you can get for just for starters, because for starting case this is the best drone. Yeah, for 1500 you do can, even if you lose it, you'll not break the bank over here. And this is the joystick, which is very smooth over here. Not bad for 1500. So this is the unboxing of the drone for you. In the next video, I'll just show you its operation also. If I get time, I'll go ahead and fly it out and I'll show you the flight pattern. Okay. And if you do like this video, please do go ahead and like and subscribe for the channel. And until next time, you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.